Hey everybody, it's me, Alex from Alex Toy Channel. Today, I am Judge Alex, and I've pretty much been wondering which is better against these two things. So I'll show you what I got here. So the first thing I got is, ta-da! The fidget spinner. I showed you this on last video, and the video before that, I showed you the ta-da! The fidget cube. And today I want to see which fidget is better. So the fidget spinner is on this side, and the cube is on this side. And also, I made this paper to write down which is the best and which is not. So let's see what they do first. So you know what a fidget spinner does, right? It spins, and you could do a few tricks. So I'm going to write down tricks. And what does the cube do? Oh, I have one. Flips. And let's do fidget spinner now. So let's see something on fidget spinner. Spins super fast. Okay, let's see the fidget cube. So what does it have? Oh, I know. The glide one is like video game controller. So some of them mean something. Now let's go back to the fidget spinner. Hold it. I know exactly. When you turn it this way, let it spin on its own, it's like a fan. So I'll write down okay. Now let's go to the third review on the cube. Okay, what? Okay, so part I don't really like is that I can't really spin this very well. So not like okay, and now we are back on the spinner here. Oh, I know. Some can light up. And now let's do a cube review. So here's a cube. Like the little ball. And this is our last review on the spinner. Oh, I know exactly what to put on. Like that, there's different kinds of spinners. And then the last review for the cube. Rubbing your fingers comfortable. Alright, we're done with reviews now, and now I'm going to see how many stars they give it. And whichever one has most stars, that's the one I like best. So the most they could give is 5 stars. Okay. Fidget Cube, I would say is more 4 stars. And the cube, and spinner, definitely 5 stars. So then, let's see which one wins. Alright, which one do you think wins? Looks like this one, the spinner. Okay everyone, subscribe here to the Outdoor channel, see lots of cool reviews today, and I hope you really like this video, and bye.